what's up, guys? We're gonna announce the winner of Guess the Blush number 3, and no one guessed it. But what I'm gonna do is there is like 6, who guess, and I'm gonna random.org. Go to random.org, and whoever wins will get a shout out. A different video, and says like your name over there, like Clause 12, shout out to someone. So for example, I gave shout out to Gasakli, and he won this one again, and it's gonna be like second one for Gasakli. Shout out. So yeah, wait, stop it and go to random now. It's over there. I always use this for fun. I don't know why. Oh, why? Sorry about that. 6 and 3 is right there. That's generated. So I'm going bottom to top. So number 6. It is Gasakli again. So won this one again. So yeah, you get another shout out. But since it's not there, I'll do one more. Okay, I'll do one more because I already got a shout out for me. But I'll do another shout out to you, so don't worry. No, number 6, I can't do it again. Sorry about that. Number 1, I think it's Sarah Weisman. Oh no, it's Logan. So you will get a shout out from me. And Gasakli, which is funny too. So yeah, thanks guys, and hope I'll do more. And I can't really do a commission video because yeah, but I have few money here. I got 20 bucks, but I don't want to spend all of my commission. I also want to keep it. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See ya.